अस्तु महोदय, आरम्भं करोतु। सर्वे म्यूट् मध्ये भवन्तु।
ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वमय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः। ओम सहनाववतु सहनं पुनत्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार।
धन्यवादः महोदय, सम्यक् अस्ति। अस्तु, so looks like there are a lot of questions from last class. We will go through them one by one. So let us start with the Gruha Karyam from last time. दृश्यते वा? Can you see my screen?
Yes, Mahoday.
Yes. So the objective was to take each sentence, identify karta, karma, kriya like we did before, and wherever we said, for example, wherever we had chashakena, the by or with form, we said instead of saying by or with, we just want to say trutiya vibhakti. Wherever there was karta, we wanted to say prathama vibhakti. Wherever there was karma, we wanted to say dvitiya vibhakti, and so on. So the idea was to show all of you that the vibhakti concept is nothing new. It is something that we have already done. The only thing is we have named it last time. That's all we have done. So instead of saying karta, we named it as prathama vibhakti. Instead of saying karma, we named it as dvitiya vibhakti. Instead of saying by or with, trutiya vibhakti. For chaturthi vibhakti. By panchami vibhakti. From panchami vibhakti. Of or belonging to shashti vibhakti. In or on saptami vibhakti. So we didn't want to call it by those names. Because we didn't name them properly, we are now naming them properly. So that's all the concept of vibhakti is. So let us do a few of these, 4 or 5 of these, so that it will become more clear for everybody. Kavita Mahoday, first one.
सीता रामं पश्यति, क्रियापदं पश्यति, वर्तमानकालं सीता कर्ता प्रथमा विभक्ति, स्त्रीलिंगम एकवचनम, रामं कर्म द्वितीय विभक्ति, पुंलिंगम ekavachanam.
That's it. Uttamam. That's all the homework was asking you to do. That's all. So you first identified the Kriya Pada, Pashyati. It's in Ekavachanam. If it was Bahuvachanam, it would have been Pashyanti, right? And it is Uttama Prathama Purusha because somebody else is doing it. Pashyati. If it was Uttama Purusha, it would have been
Pashyati.
If it was Pashyami, Aham Pashyami, Vayam Pashyamaha. So Pashyati is Kriya Padam, Ekavachanam, Prathama Purusha. Then how did you identify Karta or Prathama Vibhakti?
Karta, the one who is doing the action.
The one who is doing the action. So who is doing the action of Pashyati? Sita.
Sita.
Satyam. And Sita, we know from previous classes, is Karta. It's also Strilinga. It's also Ekavachana. So instead of saying Karta, we are saying, or in addition to saying it's Karta, we are also saying it is Prathama Vibhakti. That's all we are saying. It's the only new additional information we are adding. How did you decide Ramam is a Karma Padam?
Sita is, the action is being done on Rama. Sita is looking Rama.
Looking
so it
at
is Karma Padam.
Another way of determining a Karma Padam is to ask Kim or what on the Kriya Padam. Kim Pashyati. Whom is she saying? Ramam Pashyati. Right? So that's how you know Ramam is a Karma Pada. Even if you take in English, right? The boy eats fruit. Boy eats fruit. Eat is the action, verb in English. What is the boy eating? Fruit. The answer of what on the Kriya Pada gives you the Karma Pada. In English, we call it object. In Sanskritam, we call it Karma Pada. So, Kim Pashyati, Ramam Pashyati. What or whom is Sita doing the action of Pashyati on Ramam? So, that's how we know Ramam is the Karma Pada. So, if you Ramam, we know from previous class, Ramam is Ekavachana. If it was Bahuvachana, what would it be, Kavita Mahodaya?
Raman.
Raman. Because and we know Rama is a Pumlinga Shabda. So Pumlinga Shabda, Ekavachana, Karma Padam. Because it's a Karma Padam, we are saying it's a Dvitiya Vibhakti word. Padam. Clear? That's all there is to this Abhyasa. Who wants to do the second Vakya?
I can do, Mahodaya, Sumitra.
Vadatu Mahodaya. Karot.
Balika Shashakena Jalam Pitavati. Pitavati. So, Kriya is Pitavati, that is Bhutakalaha, Prathama Purushaha, Ekavachanam.
And this is Bhutakala. So in this case, it also happens to be Strilinga because we studied the Linga dependent form of Bhutakala.
Then Balika Karta, Srilinga.
Karta? How did you identify Karta?
So,
question.
Pitavati. So, Balika Pitavati.
Satyam.
So, Srilinga, Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. Then
Jalam is karma. So what did Kim Pibati? So it is Jalam Pibati.
Kim Pibati, or what did she drink? Kim Pitavati. What did she drink? She drank. What she drank? She drank Jalam. So Jalam is the Karma Pada.
So Karma, Napumskalingam, Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam.
Because it is karma, we say it is Tritiya Vibhakti. And Jalam, we know, is from previous classes, Ekavachanam. Bahuvachanam would be
Jalani.
Jalani, Satyam, Satyam. Then the remaining word is
Shashakena. So Shashakena Pullingah Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Why Tritiya Vibhakti?
So with what he is drinking? So by what? Or
by what or with what?
What?
So
Shashakena.
Shashakena. Tritiya Vibhakti. We know it is Ekavachana. If it was Bahuvachana, it would have been
Shashakaihi.
Shashakaihi. So we know it is Ekavachana and not Bahuvachana. So Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana. Pumlinga. We know Shashakaha is a Pumlinga.
Pullinga Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana.
That's it. That's it. Is the Dhanyavadaha Mahoday. So is the objective of this homework and how to go about it clear?
Banu Mahoday, I have one question.
Who pruchhati?
Vijay.
Astu Mahoday.
Like some of them, for example, 11.
11.
Okay. Vayam prarthana shlokaihi. Vayam prarthana shlokaihi kakshayaha arambam kurmaha.
Kurmaha. Satyam. What is the Kriya Padam here?
So is it only kurma or arambam kurma? I was confused.
Kurmaha is the Kriya Padam.
Okay. Because arambam also is like a verb, right? Start something, right? No?
Okay. So what does likhati mean? Likhati means write or is writing. So another way of saying likhati is lekhanam karoti.
Okay.
Likhami, lekhanam karomi. Doing the action of writing. I am doing the action of writing, or he is doing the action of writing.
Okay.
Khadami.
Yeah. Action of eating. Yeah.
Action of eating. Khadanam karomi. Khadati. He is doing the action of eating. So there, writing or eating is not a karma pada. Karoti or karomi is the kriya. Same way, kurmaha is the bahuvachanam of karomi. So kurmaha is the kriya.
Okay, only kurma. Okay. And when we have something like a vayam or mama, what should we put as the linga? Because
right. So that is why I think I added a note saying put Trishulingeshu there. So there is here.
Oh, okay, I missed it. Sorry.
No, Chintana. If you see Aham and Vayam, just say Trishulingeshu, because their linga doesn't actually make sense. Right? The word I as a male can use it, a woman can use it, and if a thing can talk, it can also say I.
Oh. Understood. And in the 11th one, so Arambam will also be treated as what really?
Okay. So how do you arrive at the Karma Padam? What do you ask on the Kriya Pada to arrive?
Who is doing that action? We'll ask who. So in this case, Vayam, we are doing.
That is Karta.
Sorry, you asked about what?
Karma.
Karma is okay. On what is the action being performed?
Kim.
Okay.
Kim kurmaha, or what we are doing. So in this sentence, what word will give you that response?
What? Okay.
What are we doing? Kurmaha means doing, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing? We are doing the
okay, yeah, Arambam, yes, we are starting.
We are Arambam, we are starting.
Okay.
So always,
Yeah,
if you don't know what is say karma pada, ask the question kim or what.
Okay.
On what is the kriya being performed.
What? Okay. Got it.
So arambham is the answer you get if you ask a question on kurmaha.
And is it okay to, instead of each, because there are many words, we can categorize as kriya pada and naam pada, or we should have kriya, karta, karma, and the other words?
It is good as a practice because we just started learning about the official definitions of vibhakti, and we still have that knowledge of karta and karma and kriya. Let us continue retaining that while adding the new knowledge. And it will also, so the process that we are following here is the second step that we normally follow when we try to do Anvaya Rachana of shlokas. So when we try to understand shlokas, the first step we do is we break all the sandhis so that each individual word can be written. The second step we do is what we are doing right now. Identify kriya, identify karta, identify karma, identify all the different vibhakti. Then you put them in a order that reads like a normal sentence and not like a shloka. Then you do the meaning, and then you get to the overall meaning of the shloka. So that's how we do it. So whatever we are learning today will be helpful in a few months from now.
Dhanyavada Mahoday.
So, Chaitra Mahoday, you also had a question about this.
Mahodaya. So I got the confusion related to the word kakshayaha, because earlier when it was kaksham, I understood that we commence our class with prarthana shloka, but then when it changed to kakshaya, so I got confused.
So do you agree that arambham is the karma pada? Is that clear?
Mahodaya.
So now you ask the question, arambham of what? Beginning of what? Of what? Whose beginning are we talking about? Of the class.
Okay.
Kasya arambham, kakshayaha arambham, or actually kasyaha arambham, kakshayaha arambham, because it's strilinga.
Okay. But Mahodaya, even if it's kaksham or kakshyaha, then would that be a mistake? I mean, we commence the class with prarthana shlokas. I mean, would kaksham be wrong there in this context?
Kaksham would be wrong because we already have a karma padam here. So if it will be correct if arambham kurmaha. So let's take a step back. Instead of arambham kurmaha, let's say it was lekhanam kurmaha. Instead of lekhanam kurmaha, can you combine that to make one word?
Likhamaha.
Likhamaha. Kim likhamaha, kaksham likhamaha, patham likhamaha. If you did it that way, then kaksham would have been fine. But here, karma padam is, kriya is kurmaha, arambham is karma. You already have those things. So, then kaksham, it doesn't make sense because we are breaking the, so instead of, let's continue on the example of likhamaha. Balakaha patham lekhanam karoti. Will that be correct?
Patham
No.
likhati, right?
Likhati is kriya. What is the karma there?
Patham, the lesson. Like the lesson.
Patham lekhanam karoti. So, what is he writing?
Yeah, he's writing the lesson.
No, sorry. What is he doing? He is doing lekhanam
Okay. He's doing lekhanam of the lesson.
of the lesson. So Shashti Vibhakti. Whose lekhanam is he doing? Whose lekhanam is he doing? Pathasya lekhanam. But if you combine lekhanam karoti into likhati, then what will your sentence be?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
So we had, let me write it down here. Balakaha. Can you see what I'm typing?
Mahodaya.
Patham lekhanam karoti. You said this is wrong, and this should be the pathasya. Are we clear on this so far?
Mahodaya, yes.
So instead of lekhanam karoti, can we combine these two into one word?
Likhati.
Likhati. Then will it be pathasya?
No, it would be patham likhati, right? So
Patham
writing the
likhati.
lesson.
Satyam. Because we combine those two words, this becomes karmapada.
Okay.
So instead of arambham kurmaha, if we had arambhamahe, then kaksham arambhamahe would be correct.
Okay. Yeah, I got it now. Mahodaya, I got it. Thank you so much.
Astu, dhanyawadaha. Have we confused everybody?
Mahodaya,
please ask questions. This is important.
Yeah, I understood what you are saying with the example, but what is the concept here? Means I get it. What so the patam and patasya, the difference I get it, but
so it is basically the concept is when does a word become karma padam? So previously by mistake I had typed this as kaksham arambham kurmaha, and so somebody pointed it out and I fixed it, and Chaitra Mahodaya asked why is it kakshayaha and not kaksham? So that is what I was trying to explain.
Yeah, very good. Very good explanation.
Okay, Mahodaya, is that clear now?
Yes.
Okay.
Mahodaya, kakshayaha is Shashti here.
Shashti, Satyam. Shashti ekavachanam. Satyam. So is the concept of vibhakti, is it better understood now than last week? So think of it as just a naming convention. It's just a name that we are giving to concepts that we already learned. Instead of saying karta, ek prathama vibhakti. Instead of karma, ditya vibhakti, and so on. That's all we have done. We have not done anything different. Astu, if you encounter more questions, feel free to ask.
Mahodaya, I have a question here. Mama Bhakti, Bhakti is, I thought is karma pada, karta here. Am I right?
Correct. It's a ikaranta strilinga sabda.
Right. Okay. Because first I thought Mama Bhakti, then so it's so simple sentence, but when you're writing Mahodaya, it is like you have to really think and write.
That's the whole point of the exercise. So again,
it's a very good exercise, but I thought, oh my gosh, simple sentence, I'm making so many mistakes.
But you know something, all of these sentences have been picked from the abhyasas that we have already done in the class. Except for one or two changes, simple changes, Pitavati, I think Balika Cheshatena Jalam Pibati we used to have. I changed it to Pitavati because I wanted to get a Bhutakala example. Except for minor changes like that, every single sentence, out of all these 40 sentences, there is no new sentence. We have done all these sentences in our classes in various.
Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Mahoday, I have a doubt in 28, number 28.
Vrukshebhyaha jalam avashakam.
So the Kriya will be Asti, right?
Asti.
Kriya. So Vrikshebhyaha will be for the trees. So it will be Chaturthi Vibhakti. Vrikshebhyaha. So Jalam will be the Karta or Kriya, Karma. I don't know. These two I'm getting confused. Avashakam and Jalam.
So write it. I can't. So write it. We will see what we write.
Okay.
I don't want to do all the examples in the class.
Okay. And the another one is the third one you asked us to ignore it. The 29th is also the similar kind of thing. So we should do that. Or?
29. Sita or Milayaha Graja. Yeah, ignore this also.
Okay.
Yeah, we didn't study the concept of Visheshana Vishesha Bhavam, adjective. Once we learn that, we can revisit these sentences. Astu.
Astu.
Agre Saramaha. Let's move ahead. So, like we said, Prathama Vibhakti Karta, Ditya Karma, Trutiya is by or with, Chaturthi is for, Panchami is from, Shashti is of, Saptami is in or on. So, please look up this table while you are doing the homework so that you know, until you get used to these names of Vibhaktis, you will know what Vibhakti is. So Vivachanam. So last time we just introduced or we just touched upon the topic of Vivachanam, but we didn't go into detail. So in Sanskritam, in addition to Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam, we also have a notion of Vivachanam, represents Dvandvam or two. Ramaha, Ramau. One Rama, two Rama. Balakaha, Balakau. One boy, two boys. Sita, Sita, one Sita, two Sita. Nadi, Nadyau, one river, many rivers. Phalam, Phale, one fruit, many, two fruits. So, in Akaranta Pumlinga Shabda, the Dvivachanam will take the form of Au. Ramaha will become Ramau. Balakaha will become Balakau, etc. Akaranta Strilinga will take the form of A as the ending. Sita, Site, Balika, Balike, Mala, Male, and so on. And Ikaranta Strilinga will also actually end in Yau, Janani, Jananyau, Nadi, Nadyau, Lekhani, Lekhanyau. Napumsakalinga is always easy. Phalam is they take the ending A. Akaranta Napumlinga Shabda. Phalam, Phale, Mandiram, Mandire, and so on. We will do some abhyasas on this. One thing we studied in the past is the vachana of the kriya pada should match the vachana of the karta. Balakaha pathati, balakaha
patanti.
Patanti.
Satyam. Balika kridati, balikaha kridanti. So here, and then phalam patati, phalani patanti. In all three cases, the vachana is matching the vachana of kriya is matching the vachana of the karta. It also has to match the purusha. So balakah pathati, but if I'm saying purusha, uttama purusha, if I'm talking about myself, we cannot say aham pathati. We have to say aham pathami. And bahuvachanam of aham is vayam. So vayam pathamaha. So whenever you say vadamaha, pathamaha, it is implied that the karta is vayam. So you can actually, if you just say vadamaha, it's good enough. Vayam is optional. Same way, vadami, pathami, likhami. Aham is optional because encoded in this word vadami is the notion that the karta is aham. It can never be balakah vadami. It can never be balika vadami. It can never be saha vadami. It will always be aham vadami, aham pathami. So whenever you see a word ending in ni, the karta is aham. Whenever you see a word ending in maha, kriya padam in maha, karta is vayam. Same way, it applies the other way also. If it is pathati, it is always prathama purusha, somebody else, the third person. Aham pathati is wrong. Vayam pathanti is wrong. But in this case,
I have
so
for dvivachanam it doesn't change the kriya padam.
We are coming to that. We are coming to that. I just wanted to remind how it was for ekavachanam and bahuvachanam. The same concept applies for dvivachanam also. Chhatraha pathati, chhatrau pathataha. Pathati becomes pathataha because chhatraha, dvivachanam is chhatrau. Chhatraha pathati, chhatrau pathataha. If it was bahuvachanam, chhatraha
Patanti.
pathanti. So chhatraha pathati, chhatrau pathataha. Ekavachanam chhatraha, dvivachanam chhatrau. Because the karta is in dvivachanam, the kriya also has to be in dvivachanam. Pathati, pathataha. Balakah pibati, balakau pibataha. Chhatra likhati, chhatra, chhatre likhataha. Chhatra is strilingam, so chhatre likhataha. If it was chhatrau, if it was male student, chhatrau, two boys, two students, two male students.
Likataha.
Because the linga of the kriya doesn't change, doesn't have an effect on the linga of karta doesn't have an effect on the kriya. Satya, satya. Balika khagati, balike khagataha. Nadi vahati, nadyau vahataha. Phalam patati, phale patataha. So if you see the ending, taha 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 taha. Ekavachana ti 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 ti, dvivachana taha 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 taha, bahuvachana anti 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 anti. Pathati pathataha, likhati likhataha, khadati khadataha, pibati pibataha, vahati vahataha, patati patataha. So is this clear? So wherever you have t in the ekavachanam, replace the t with taha to get the dvivachana kriya form. Just like we used to replace t with anti to get the bahuvachana form, to get the dvivachana form, just replace t with taha. Same way, gacchati gacchataha, pashyati pashyataha, so on. Now, let's do one abhyasam. Surendra Mahodaya.
Archakaha.
So just to one second, Kshamyata Mahodaya. So here we have karta, here we have karma, and here we have kriya. So what we have to do, it's all given in ekavachana. This is karma is also in ekavachana. Sorry, karma doesn't matter. Kriya is also in ekavachana. So what we have to do is convert this ekavachana into dvivachana. And because the karta changes to dvivachana, kriya also has to change to dvivachana. Please go ahead.
Archakaha.
Au, archakau.
Archakau. Archakau. Vanau gacchataha.
Can we do mantra?
Mantra.
Archakaha. Archakau.
Let's do ekavachana first. We'll fix the sentence and then we will convert to dvivachana. Archakaha.
Archakaha mantram vadati.
Mantram vadati. Satya. Satya. Mantram vadati. Then archakau.
Archakau mantrau vadataha.
Vadataha. Mantra will remain the same. Mantram will remain the mantram only. So let's not change this. Let's not disturb this now. Archakau.
Archakau mantraha vadataha.
Mantram karma padam, right?
Mantram vadataha.
Vadataha. Archakaha vadataha. Archakaha vadataha. Usha Mahoday. Do the ekavachana first and then we will convert to dvivachana. Chhatraha.
Vidya. Okay. Chhatraha vidyalayam gachati. So it will be Chhatrau vidyalayam aha.
Gachataha. Uttamam. Chhatraha vidyalayam gachati. Chhatrau vidyalayam gachataha. Satya. So to help you, these are all Pumlinga Shabdas. So all of this will end in au, 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 au. All of these will end in taha, 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 taha. Hemanti Mahoday.
Vyagraha vanam garjati. Vyagrau vanam garjataha.
Vane, right?
Oh, that's right. Yeah, vane. Vyagrau vane garjataha.
Sukanya Mahoday, do you want to do this?
I'll try. Vaidyaha aushadham anayati. Vaidhyau aushadham anayataha.
Uttamam. Vaidyaha aushadam anayati. Vaidyau aushadam anayataha. What does the mean? Artham kim Mahoday?
The doctor goes to get to buy medicine.
Anayati is brings.
Bring medicine.
Okay. Vaidyaha aushadam anayati. The doctor brings medicine. Vaidyau aushadam. Two
doctors aushadam go to medicine to get medicines.
Bring two
to
doctors.
Bring medicine. To bring.
No, just bring medicine. Satyam. Uttamam.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Anupama Mahoday, do you want to do the last one?
Mahoday,
Ramesh Mahoday.
Anayati, aniyataha or anayataha?
Anayataha.
Not aniyataha. Okay.
No, anayataha.
Dhanyavad.
Anayati, anayanti, anayati, anayataha. Anupama Mahoday, do you want to do the last one?
Mahoday.
Sorry.
Vanaraha vrukshah patati. Vanarau
वानरः
वृक्षात् patati. So
what does that mean?
Monkey fell from the tree.
Falls
from the tree.
Okay. द्विवचने
वानरौ वृक्षात् पततः.
वानरौ वृक्षात् पततः. अर्थः कः? मीनिंग? What is Vanarau?
Dvivachana form of monkey. Vanarau.
What does that mean? Dvivachana means what?
2 monkeys.
2 monkeys. Bahuvachana means many monkeys. Okay. Ekavachana means 1 monkey. 2 monkeys
falls from the trees.
Fall from the tree. That's all. Now let's do Strilinga. So this box is Strilinga Ekavachanam. This is Kriya Padam. So Kriya doesn't change based on the Linga. It only changes based on the Vachana. Who is next?
One question, Banu Mahodaya. On Shaha Vrikshat, you said, right? You changed Vrikshaha to Vrikshat.
From tree. Because Vanaraha Vrikshaha Patati doesn't make sense. Monkey tree falls, it doesn't make sense, right? Vrikshat from the tree.
Yes, Satami.
Panchan. Ramu Mahodaya. Gaika.
Gaika. Mala Kadayataha.
No. You have to first match in a Ekavachanam. Then we can convert to Dvivachanam.
Okay. Sorry.
Gaika.
Gaika Geetam Gayati.
Gayati. Satya. Gaika Geetam Gayati. So Gaika Ekavachanam Strilinga Akaranta. What will be the Dvivachanam? Sita, Site, Gaika.
Gaike.
Geetam will remain Geetam.
Geetam Gayati.
Gayatah. Gayati Ekavachanam Gayatah. Gaika Geetam Gayati. Gaike Geetam Gayatah. 2 female singers are singing a song. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Yeah, so Adhyapika Pataha Patayati.
So will Pataha change to something?
Patham Patayati.
Satyam. Adhyapika Patham
Patayati. So it will in Dvivachana, it will be Adhyapike Patham Patayatah.
Uttamam.
Taha. Patayatah.
Adhyapika Patham Pathayati. 1 female teacher teaches the lesson. Adhyapike Patham Patayatah. 2 female teachers are teaching the lesson. Uttama.
Dhanyavad.
Bala Mahodaya.
Nadi Parvataha Udbhavati. Hello.
Vadatu Mahodaya.
That is a combination. And the sentence will be Nadyao Parvatat Udbhavataha.
Ekavachane.
Nadi Parvat
Parvatat
Udbhavati.
What meaning? What is that?
The river originates from the mountain. And it will be 2 rivers originate from the mountains.
So ekavachane nadi parvata.
A river and 2 rivers.
नदी पर्वतात् उद्भवति. द्विवचने संपूर्णं वाक्यं किं महोदय?
नद्यौ पर्वतात् उद्भवतः.
उद्भवतः. नद्यौ पर्वतात् उद्भवतः. उत्तमम् उत्तमम्.
धन्यवाद.
Sorry. Parvatat, or can we say parvate also, like in the mountain?
We can say parvate also. Ramesh Mahoday.
Mahila payasam pachati. Mahile payasam pachatah.
Uttamam. Arthah kaha?
Pachatah. One female is cooking payasam. 2 females are cooking payasam.
Uttamam, uttamam. Sandeep Mahoday, antimam karotu krupaya.
Janani malam gumfati. Jananyo malam gumfatah.
Janani malam gumfati. Jananyau malam gumfatah. Artha ka Mahoday?
Mother is sewing the garland. Right? 2 mothers are sewing the garland.
Satya, Satya. Dhanyawada. Antime, let's do the Napumsakalinga. Again, Karta is here, Karma is here, Kriya is here. Phalam, Phale for Napumsakalinga. These are all Napumsakalinga words. So, Phalam, Ekavachanam, Phale, Dvivachanam. Manjula Mahoday. Please try this.
Pushpe pushpam.
First do the sentence. First try to form the sentence in ekavachana. It will become easy, and then we will do dvivachana. Pushpam.
Vrukshaha. Vrukshe vikasati.
Vrukshat. Vrukshat is better.
Okay. Vrukshat vikasati. Pushpaihi.
No. Phalam, phale, pushpam.
Pushpe.
Pushpe.
Pushpe, right?
Pushpe. So replace the with a.
So pushpe. Vruksham stays like that, Mahodaya.
Vrukshat only. Vrukshat only. It will stay the same.
Okay. Pushpe vrukshat vikasatah.
Uttamam. Pushpam vrukshat vikasati. Pushpe vrukshat vikasatah. Uttamam. Artha, meaning?
Two pushpams are vikasati.
Growing from the tree.
From that.
Blossoms.
Blossoming. Satya. Bhavani Mahoday. Dvitiyam vakya.
Parne.
First do the ekavachanam. It will make your life easy. Parnam. First match.
Parnam. Parna means
leaf.
Parna is leaf. Okay. Parna vrikshat patati.
Parnam vrikshat patati. Dvivachane.
Parne vrikshat patatah.
Uttamam. Parnam vrikshat patati. Parne vrikshat patatah.
So the leaf is the leaf falls from the tree.
One leaf falls from
two
the tree.
Leaves two leaves fall from the tree.
Satya. Madhuri Mahoday. So for Pushpam, there is a better match. Can you find that?
Tadaga.
Pushpe vrikshat patatah.
Manjula Mahoday already did that. I'm saying there is a better match. Because Parnam Rukshat Patati, so we use that. Pushpam, can we find a better match? Pushpam.
Pushpam.
What is Tadaga?
Tadaga is lake.
Lake or pond.
So, Pushpe, okay. Pushpe Tadagat Udbhavataha.
Pushpe Tadage. Tadage. In the lake. On the lake. Do the Ekvachana and Dvivachana.
Pushpam Tadage Udbhavati. Pushpe Tadage Udbhavataha.
Uttamam. Bhagya Mahoday.
Mitram Kashi Agachati. Kashi Gachati. I can use one of them, right?
Kashi.
So, Mitre. No, it's wrong.
You can use. Or that's fine.
Mitre Kashi Gachataha.
Kashi va Kashim va.
Kashim, right? It's already Dirga there.
Dirga is fine. Is there a Makara at the end?
Kashim. Mitre Kashim Gachataha.
That's why do the Ekavachana first. Mitram Kashim Gachati. Why Kashim?
It's object Karmapada.
Goes to Kashi.
Yes.
If you say just Kashi, then Mitram is also Karta. Kashi can also be considered as Karta.
Kashi. Mitram. Mitre Kashim Gachataha.
Mitram Kashim Gachati. Mitre Kashi Gachataha.
Dhanyawad.
Hemanti Mahoday. Antimam Vakyam Karoti.
Sasyam Bijam Udbhavati. Sasye.
No. First do Ekavachana.
Sasyam Bijat Udbhavati.
Bijat.
Sasye Bijad Udbhavataha.
Uttamam. Sasyam Bijat Udbhavati. Sasye Bijat Udbhavataha. Uttamam.
Dhanyawad.
All right. Kavita Mahoday. Antimam Vakyam.
Lokayanam Kashyaha Agachati. Ekavachanam. Lokayane Kashyaha Agachataha.
Uttamam. Artha kaha?
Train is coming from Kashi.
To bus. Relayanam is train, Lokayanam is bus. But yes.
Bus is coming from Kashi.
Lokayane, two buses.
Lokayane Kashyaha Agachataha.
Two buses are coming from Kashi. Astu.
महोदय क्षम्यताम् एकं प्रश्नम् गच्छति आगच्छति कर्मपदं काशीं like that it will be Kashim, no? Why it will be Kashyaha? Because gachati agachati as a rule, no? Karma padam.
Kashi.
Like Vidyalayam agachati, so Kashim agachati.
Satyam. काशीम् आगच्छति. सत्यम्.
Is it not Kashitaha?
Or we can say Kashitaha, from Kashi.
From Kashi, Kashitaha. Lokayane Kashitaha agachataha.
I was thinking Gachati Agachati always is preceded by like how Vidyalayam had that rule, no? I thought it will be Kashim. It will take the second vibhakti.
Gachati. If it goes to Kashi, then Kashim Gachati. But you also need a way to say coming from Kashi, right?
Okay.
Kashitaha or Kashyaha, because it's Ikaranta Strilinga.
Bhanu Mahadaya, if it is Mandiram, if it is Mandiram instead of Kashi, what will it be?
You try, Mahodaya. You try.
Mandirat, Mandiram Gachataha. Mandiram Gachataha. Would it be good?
Correct. Mandiram.
Mandirat Agachataha should be fine. But Mandiram Gachataha, is it right?
That is also correct. That is also correct. Goes to the temple, Mandiram Gachati, Gachataha. Comes from temple, Mandirat Agachataha.
Agachataha.
Satyam. Anye prashna? Other question? Astu. So just like
Bhanu Mahadaya, it was a little confusing. Just want to confirm, Agachati will be second vibhakti or fifth vibhakti, the noun from?
Panchami, right? From. Gachati will be Dvitiya.
Okay.
Goes to temple or comes from temple. So just like other kriyas, we have some special forms. Krinati is not Krinataha, it's Krinitaha. Janati, not Janataha, Janitaha. Grihnati, Grihnitaha. Chinoti, Chinutaha. Selecting. Chinoti means picking or selecting. Chinutaha. Shaknoti is able to do something. Shaknutaha. Karoti, Kurutaha. Shrunoti, Shrunutaha. Prapnoti, Prapnutaha. Dadati, Dattaha. Roditi, Ruditaha. If you don't worry about if you think this is too much information, don't worry about it. Just like other times, we will do lots of abhyasas so that it will automatically sink in. I just wanted to bring it to your attention that not all of them will follow the same pattern we saw before. Some of them are special forms. Prashnaha santi va?
A becomes ye, Mahodaya.
Putra Mahodaya.
Karoti, O becomes U. Karutaha. Karutaha, sorry. Srunoti becomes Srunutaha. Dadati becomes Dattaha. This is different.
It comes by practice, Mahodaya.
Yeah, okay. Astu, astu.
Chinta ma karatu. Astu. If there are no questions, let's do the next topic. So we said there are 7 types of vibhakti. Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti and Saptami. We also said Sambodhana is a special form of Prathama. Sambodhana is also called Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. We already used it. When we address each other, we say Mahodaya Prashnaha Asti. So you are saying, hey Mahodaya, you Mahodaya, you are calling that Mahodaya. Or if you are addressing a woman, we'll say Mahodaye. Right? We already used that. Mahodaya, Mahodaya. So that is the Sambodhana Vibhakti. form of Namapada. So that is what we are going to study now. So Sambodhana is also called Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. It is not a separate Vibhakti. It is considered to be a subset of Prathama Vibhakti. And it is used to address somebody. Sometimes we see it in shlokas. In the last class or previous class, we saw Bho Rama Mamuddhara. Remember that shloka?
Yes, yes.
So, Bho Rama means, Hey Rama. We are addressing Rama. Hey Rama, Mamuddhara, uplift me. We could also have said Rama Mamuddhara, but that poet said Bho Rama Mamuddhara. Sometimes we see He, sometimes we see Re and Aye. These two are less frequent. Bho and He are more frequently seen. So
is it Boho or Bo?
Boho. Visarga is there. So for Ramaha, the Sambodhana form will be Rama. So you drop the Visarga. So just like Mahodayaha, Sandeep Mahodayaha, Gruha Karyam Karoti. Sandeep Mahodaya is doing the homework. Hey Sandeep Mahodaya, Gruha Karyam Krutavan Va. Hey Sandeep Mahodaya, have you done the homework? So in the first case, I am saying Sandeep Mahodaya. In the second case, I am saying Sandeep Mahodaya without the Visarga. In the first case, I am talking about something that Sandeep Mahodaya is doing. In the second case, I am addressing him and talking to him. In the first case, I am talking about him. In the second case, I am talking to him. That's the difference. So, for Akaranta Pumlinga Shabda, just drop the Visarga. Ramaha will become Rama. Krishnaha will become Krishna. Shivaha will become Shiva, and so on. Akaranta Strilinga, Sita becomes Site. So, He and Bo are optional, so let's not worry about that. Sita becomes Site. Saraswati becomes Saraswati. How many of you say Saraswati Namastubhyam? It should be Saraswati Namastubhyam. Hey Saraswati, we are praying to you. We are starting our studies. Please give us Vidyadanam. That is how the shloka goes. So Saraswati Namastubhyam na Saraswati Namastubhyam. So Ikaranta, Dirgha Ikaranta becomes Hasva Ikaranta. The long form becomes short form. Akaranta Napumsakalinga, the ending Makara drops. Halam becomes Hala. So if you are talking to a Napumsakalinga object, you would address it as Hala without the Makara. And this is in the Ekavachana form. Dvivachana and Bahuvachana, it will be exactly the same as Prathama Vibhakti form. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. So, no, not this. What do I mean by that? Ramaha, in Ekavachana, Sambodhana form becomes Rama. The Visarga is dropped. Whereas in Dvivachana, Ramau will stay as Ramau. Ramaha will stay as Ramaha. So there is no change in the Sambodhana form for Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Only in Ekavachana, the Visarga drops for Akaranta Pumlinga. Same way for Strilinga, Akaranta Strilinga. Sita becomes Site, but in Dvivachana, Site will remain Site, Bahuvachana, Sitaha will remain Sita. So then the question comes, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvivachana is Site, Sambodhana Ekavachana is Site, Sambodhana Dvivachana is Site. How do we know which Site?
Kriyapadam.
It is Kriyapadam or through Sandarbham, through context.
Whether you are calling a single person or
whether you are calling it one person or two persons, or you are talking about Sita, the two Sitas doing some action. It comes from context. It comes from the sentence. Just by looking at Sita, we cannot tell whether it is Prathama Dvivachana or Sambodhana Ekavachana or Sambodhana Dvivachana. It's not possible. Same way with Nadi. Ekavachana Nadi becomes E, Dirgha becomes Hrasva. Nadi. Whereas Dvivachana and Bahuvachana, Nadyau will remain as Nadyau, Bahuvachana, Nadyaha will remain as Nadyaha. Same way for Phalam. Phalam will become Phala. We said we will drop the Makara at the end. Whereas in Dvivachana, Phale and the Sambodhana forms will remain the same. Phalani, Phalani. Hey Phalani means hey you many fruits if you are talking to fruits. Like that. Clear? It's one of the easiest vibhaktis to learn.
Mahodaya,
Pruchhatu.
there we, so Napumsakalinga, so the Phalam, He Phala. So is there any context where we use that, like talking to the Napumsakalinga, any sloka or something like that?
So what is Mitram? What is a friend in Sanskrita?
Yeah, Mitram.
Mitram. What is that? What is its linga?
Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. So if you want to call one friend, two friends, or many friends, how would you do that?
Oh,
Hey
Mitra. Hey Mitre.
Hey Mitre. Hey Mitrani. So remember, in Sanskrita, the physical object and the word used to describe the object, they don't have a relationship in the sense of vibhaktis. So all these vibhaktis or whatever we are studying applies to the word and not to the object. In English, we say Parvata is mountain. Mountain is neuter gender. So you can never call Parvata. Hey, mountain, it doesn't make sense in English. But in Sanskrita, mountain is Parvataha. It is Pumlinga Shabda, Akaranta Pumlinga Shabda. So you can say, hey Parvata, hey mountain. And Hanuman says that, hey mountain, move out of my way. I need to go find Sita. You find that in Ramayana, right?
Yes.
Sundarakanda. Like that.
In German also, Bhanu Mahoday, like you address a girl, also like this Napumsakling.
Oh, okay. In German, is it Mahodaya?
Yes, in German. Unmarried girl.
That is because Sanskrit is the base for German language.
That is true. That is true.
But they won't accept it.
That is fine. That is fine.
Even in context of Ramayana, where Rama asks the flowers, the rivers,
that is
if you
true.
know where Sita has been carried, there is like Pushpe, Pushpa, Pushpam, Pushpe.
Satyam. That is true. That is true. I forgot about that. So the physical object has no relationship to the vibhakti. Mitra, the same Mitra becomes Mitram, Napumsakalingam, when referring to a friend, but it takes a Pumlinga form when referring to Sun, Surya Bhagavan. Mitraha, then it becomes Mitraha. So Mitraha is Sun, Surya Bhagavan, Mitram is friend, but both of them originate from Mitra. Astu. Let's do some abhyasa on Sambodhana. So convert what is in the bracket into Sambodhana form. Ramaha mam uddhara. So for Akaranta Pumlinga, what do? We drop the Visarga. Ranjini Mahoda. Ramaha mam uddhara.
Ramaha mam uddhara.
So convert what's in the bracket into Sambodhana.
Hey Rama.
Hey Rama without the Visarga. Or Bho Rama or Rama, just Rama. Mamuddhara.
So why is it Bo?
It is optional. You don't have to call it Bo. You can say Bo, you can say Hey, you can say nothing also. You can just say Rama.
Rama.
It's optional. I only wrote Bo Rama Mamuddhara because we studied it in the previous class. We studied that shloka in the previous class. So just reminding you of that. That's all. Prashant Mahoda.
Bhanumathi, sorry, I missed the last class. So what does it mean? Mam Uddhar?
Mam Uddhara means uplift me. Mam means me. Uddhara means uplift. Hey Rama, uplift me.
So Uddhara is a Kriya Pada.
Uddhara is a Kriya Pada. Uttama Purusha. Ekavachana.
Hey Mahoday.
Mam is Dvitiya Vibhakti, is it?
Satyam.
Dhanyavadam.
We will study about Aham in detail in a future class. Vadatu Prashant Mahoday.
Yes. Mahoday, Hey Mahoday, Bho Mahoday.
Atra agachatu. Mahodaya. Mahodaya. So there is no halanta here, so we have to speak full. Mahodaya. Mahodaya atra agachatu. Means, hey Mahodaya, come here. Astu. Ami Mahoday.
Janakaha aham adhya vidyalayam na gacchami. Hey Janak, aham adhya vidyalayam na gacchami.
Janaka or Hey Janaka or Bho Janaka, aham adhya vidyalayam na gacchami. There is no halanta here, so you have to speak the full matra. It's a full matra. Janaka. In Hindi it will be Janak, but in Sanskrit you have to say Janaka. Veena Mahoday, do you want to do this?
Yes, Mohodaye, Gruha Karyam Asti Va.
Mahodaye, Gruha Karyam Asti Va. So you are addressing a woman and asking her if there is homework.
Yeah.
Harsha Mahoday.
Hello. Amba bhojanam dadatu. Ambe bhojanam dadatu.
Satyam. Ambe bhojanam dadatu. There is an optional form for Ambe. It is Amba. Both are correct. In this case, Amba is an optional form. It doesn't apply for every word, but it applies for Amba. Mother, give me food. Rachna Mahoday.
Putri uttisthatu. Putri will be putra. No, Putri will be Hey Putri.
Putri.
Putri. Hey Putri.
Instead of E, it will be E.
E. Putri uttisthatu.
Daughter, wake up.
Daughter, wake up.
Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya. Karoti va? This is a new topic. I don't know if you are ready to do it. If you are not ready, ignore it. We'll move to somebody else. Astu. Ratnakar Mahodaya.
Mitram will become He Mitra.
No.
Swaha Mam Gruham Agachatu.
Mitra Shwaha Mama Gruham Agachatu. Hey friend, come to my house tomorrow.
Yes.
Astu. Very simple, right? Let's do the shloka. Chaitra Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
The words in the brackets are actually Sambodhana form. So, what will be the shloka?
Saraswati. So it would be Saraswati. Ruswa.
Hrasva. Saraswati.
Saraswati. Saraswati Namastubhyam. Varada. So it would be Varada, right?
Sita will become when you are addressing Sita.
Oh, Varade. Varade. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kama Rupini. So Kama Rupini, there's a Dirgha, so Kama Rupini. That would be a Risva again. So Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kama Rupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada.
So from next time, whoever is doing the shlokas, please remember it's Saraswati and not Saraswati. Varade and Kamarupini, na Kamarupini. Hey Saraswati, hey Varade. Varade means the one who gives vara, boon. Kamarupini, the woman who has taken the form of the one who fulfills desire. Hey Saraswati, hey fulfiller of boons, giver of boons. Hey woman who has taken the form of a Kamarupini, means woman who has taken the form of somebody who gives, fulfills our desire. Namastubhyam, to you I am doing namaskaram. We will study this form later. Vidyarambham, the beginning of study. Karishyami, I am doing. Siddhihi bhavatu. Siddhir bhavatu is siddhihi bhavatu. May siddhi happen. May to me. Sada, always. So, Hey Saraswati, giver of boons, giver Kamarupini, I am doing namaskaram to you. I am about to start my studies. May I always have success. So that is what the meaning of the shloka is. There are a lot of new forms here, so we will not dwell into the details, but essentially that's what it is.
Varada is giver, right?
Varada is giver of boon.
But Sarvanama Pada.
No. Namapada only. It's a name. Varada. No, you're right. Sarvanama. No, actually Visheshana, not Sarvanama. Visheshana. There are a lot of words that we haven't studied those types. Let's do it in some other class. The only point I was trying to make was to pronounce the shlokas correctly. Same thing. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. So before we study, normally what we say is Vakratunda or Mahakaya, and then we say Deva. So it is not like that. Here also you are addressing Hey Vakratunda, Hey the one with his trunk in a twisted form, Hey Mahakaya, Hey the one with a big sharira, Hey the one who has glow equivalent to 1 crore sun. He Deva. Ne mai nirvignam kuru, do nirvignam of or in all karyas always. Again, we will dwell into all the details of this each word in a later class. But the only point I'm trying to make is remember that the words in brackets are Sambodhana form. So make sure that you pronounce them correctly from the next time you do this sloka.
Anu Mohoday, today it is clear why we don't see so much Visarga in the mantras, because they are mostly Sambodhana, I guess. Otherwise, it only comes when we start talking, when we start seeing the Visargas a lot.
Actually, there is another reason. It because of Sandhi, the Visarga goes and gets converted to something else. If you study Vishnu Sahasranama, every name is the name of a Pumlinga Shabda, right? It's all Vishnu's name. So most of the names will have a Visarga. But when you pronounce the two names together, Vishwam Vishnurva Shatkaro. We don't say Vishwam Vishnuhu Shatkaraha. We don't say that. Vishwam Vishnurva Shatkaro. Vishnuhu and Shatkara becomes Vishnurva Shatkara. It becomes R because of Sandhi.
This thing, like it's really good that you're explaining this. I like it.
So next time we want to just
one request, like if you can do like this Bhojan mantra and few important mantras also, which one can recite, for example, in the morning, afternoon, or evening, that would also be a good exercise for us and for our children also.
Kurmaha, we will do it. We will do it.
Thank you.
So are you open to doing the Prarthana Shlokas next time, Prashant Mahodaya?
Yes, I can do it.
Okay. There is one last topic. It's a very simple topic. I know we have about 9 minutes, but it's a very simple topic. Let's cover it. Forget about the name. If you want to say, I want to do something, to play, to read. I don't want to say playing or played or will play, but I want to say to play, to read, to eat, to dance. There is a special form. So you add tum to the end of the Kriyapada. So balakaha kriditum ichchati. The boy to play likes, or the boy likes to play. So normally we would have said balakaha kridati, the boy plays. But if you want to say the boy likes to play, the kridati will take a different form and it becomes kriditum. Same way, chhatra patitum vidyalayam gacchati. Normally we would have said chhatra pathati, chhatra pustakam pathati. But we want to say the girl is goes to school to study. How would we say that? So instead of pathati, we will say patitum. So to study or to read is patitum. Aham gatum na shaknomi. Gatum, to sing. Aham, I, gatum, to sing. Shaknomi, able, na shaknomi, not able. I am unable to sing. Gatum, to sing. Bhavantaha samskrite vaktum jananti khalu. You all know how to speak in Sanskritam, right? Vaktum, to speak. Not vadati, not vadanti. Vaktum, to speak, or in order to speak. So, kriditum is to play, patitum is to study, gatum is to sing, vaktum is to speak. And this applies to Kriyapada.
असम्पूर्णक्रिया वक्तुं शक्नोमि वा महोदय?
सम्पूर्णं वाक्यं शक्नोति, भवान् तु शक्नोति एव।
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः।
So pathati becomes pathitum, क्रीडति क्रीडितुं, लिखति लेखितुं, gayati gatum, vadati vaktum, etc. So again we will do lot of abhyasa so that these forms you don't have to by heart them, it will come from practice. But one
this then becomes a karma pada in the sentence, because the kriya is something else only, na? This won't be the kriya pada. Like kim balaka kim ichchati kridatum ichchati. Or not always come.
So the question is it Ditya Vibhakti? Is it Karma Pada? Sometimes it can be Karma Pada. Sometimes
it's not always. Second one, it's not like that, yeah.
Correct. Vidyalayam is the Karma Pada. So one way to remember these forms is convert. This shouldn't be Divachanam. No, heading is wrong. This should be Vartamana Kala. This should be the Tumun form. One way to remember how these come is to convert Vartamana Kala to Bhavishyat Kala. Pathati, Pathishyati. So Pathi, remove the Shyati. Pathi, Tum. Kridati, Kridishyati. Kridi, Tum. Remove the Shyati. Tum. Add Tum. Likhati, Bhavishyat Kala is Lekhishyati, not Likhishyati, if you remember. Lekhishyati, so remove Shyati and add Tum, Lekhitum. So convert all the Vartamana Kala into Bhavishyat Kala, remove the Shyati form and add Tum. You will get this form, Tumun. It's called Tumun form. It's just a name. Again, don't be scared, don't be confused. It's just a name. Tumun. It's called Tumun. Because they all end in tum, 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 tum. Again, we have special forms, Dadati, Datum. Because Dadati, Bhavishyat Kala is, what is Bhavishyat Kala of Dadati? Dashyati. So remove the Syati and add Tum. Da, Tum. Pibati, Pasyati. So remove Syati, add Tum. Pa, Tum. Like that. So convert Vartamana Kala into Bhavishyat Kala and you will remove the ending part Syati or Syati and add Tum back. You will get the Tumun form. We don't have time to do Abhyasa, but that's okay. We will do it next time. Prashnaha santi va? We've covered a lot of things today. Are there any things that you want clarified?
For Karoti, this logic doesn't work, Mavya.
Kartum, correct. Satyam. I'm sorry, what is that, Ami Mahoday?
I was saying even Gayati.
Yes.
What would the tense be for this? Gaishyati. I don't know.
I don't remember.
Gasyati.
Gasyati, va? I don't remember. What is Bhavishyat Kala for Gayati?
Gasyati.
Gasyati. So remove Syati and add Tum, Gatum. It will work. we will review this in the next class again. If it's confusing, don't worry. We will review this topic and we'll do the class. Any other questions?
How will we know which ones are the special forms? Which words have special? I mean, there's so many of them.
Stay on the line for 1 minute. Let us finish the class because it's 9:30. We will do Prarthana Shloka and then I will answer your question. Trividya Mahoday, Mangala Shlokam karoti va? Please mute yourself, everybody. Trividya Mahoday, अस्ति वा? Mangala Shlokam, please do Mangala Shlokam, Mahoday. Karoti.
Okay. Om Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, Sarve santu niramayah, Sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukhabhat bhavet, Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Trayambakam yajamahe sugantim pushtivardhanam, Urvaribandhanat mrityormuchyet mamrutat. Om Purnamidam Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय.